I was standing at the checkout by a rack of magazines. Cover story told about another heartbroken beauty queen, how she was getting over just one more sad affair. And as I waited for my change, you know it hit me then and there, that ordinary people have extraordinary love. A million little miracles far beneath the stars above. The greatest gift that I could ever wish for you and me is a life as ordinary as can be. Then I heard some famous people had an anniversary. 5 long years together, it was Hollywood history. Now my grandma and grandpa never made no printed page, but they took the love of 57 years right to the grave. 'Cause ordinary people have extraordinary love. A million little miracles far beneath the stars above. The greatest gift that I could ever wish for you and me is a life as ordinary as can be. Now we all like to watch, and by the time the movie ends, who of us hasn't wished to be a little more like them? But I bet every time 2 stars are breaking up, that they wish somehow, some way they were a little more like us. Ordinary people have extraordinary love. A million little miracles far beneath the stars above. The greatest gift that I could ever wish for you and me is a life as ordinary as can be. Oh, the greatest gift that I could ever wish for you and me is a life as ordinary as can be.